So I'm recently retired, and I had been a dental hygienist for 25 years. So all of this punching over and turning and didn't help my situation, but I've been seeing a chiropractor for over 40 years now. And just before I retired in December of 2021, I had a car accident where I hit a deer, totaled my car, and I think that just exacerbated all of the things that were wrong with me to begin with. My name is Peggy, and I'm from Tomahawk, Wisconsin. After the car accident, I had 2 more weeks to work, and then a lot of my time was spent trying to figure out how to get rid of the pain that I was in. I was having nerve pain through my right buttocks all the way down to my ankle and into my foot. I was having shoulder and neck pain. I tried icing and heat and all the different things that you try without anything really working. Some of the chiropractic was starting to help, but I was just so tensed up that certainly the medical doctors gave me muscle relaxers, which was pretty much all I got from them. I had a difficult time on any kind of a long walk. I know the neighbor wanted to go walking, and I was all for it because I'd like to lose some weight. And by the time we got done walking maybe half a mile, I was in so much pain I just wanted to sit down and cry. The other issue I found was that when I did the laundry and you try to shake out towels or shirts or whatever, I couldn't raise my arms above my shoulders because of the whiplash that I had gotten. And I needed to seek out some kind of treatment for that in order to continue on to just basically do everyday things for myself. So I heard about integrated pain solutions on the television. I had watched a number of testimonials myself on the website, and it helped me understand the whole pain cycle and how we need to interrupt that and retrain our body to get out of that. It was really enlightening to see the other testimonials talk about the differences that they have felt and the good outcome that they had had. When I came in for my initial consultation, I thought Dr. Grant was the person that I was going to seek treatment with because he listened to me. He understood what I was talking about. He certainly showed empathy and concern for me as a patient. He certainly encouraged me to seek treatment because he was definitely certain that we could have some good results. I recall that he was hoping to reduce my pain by 60 to 75%. I'm going to tell you that my pain is reduced at least 90%. When I had a laser session, for me, I was laying on my stomach and I could feel some heat in the area. That might be a little more than what I expected from it, but it wasn't painful. It wasn't debilitating in any way. And I kind of enjoyed it because you just kind of lay there, and in all honesty, I fell asleep during a couple of the treatments. I feel wonderful now. I have so much less pain that I have to worry about, that it's not ruling my life and telling me what I am able and not able to do. I can do gardening that had been an issue earlier. I go on long walks and don't feel any ill effects from that. Sure, I'm gonna hurt because I'm using muscles that I don't always use, but that awful, awful pain is gone, which is amazingly wonderful. I really didn't understand when people said, "Oh, I got my life back." I now understand what they were talking about. It's just the relief of pain. You feel good, you're happy. Even my adult son said, "Mom, you were not happy when you retired." And I said, "You're right. I was in pain and I kind of hibernated in the bedroom because I didn't want to be crabby and cranky with the people that I love, even though it wasn't their fault. You tend to be that way with them sometimes. I am so going to recommend Integrated Pain Solutions to all of my friends who have any kind of aches and pains. I think what we forget is that this is a progressive thing. It's happened from how long ago, from every little fall we've taken to every time we've bumped our head getting into the car, and it all kind of attacks our body in ways that we don't realize. I can't say enough good things about my treatment and my results. I think the results are even better than what they had anticipated. Took a little longer to kind of get things where they needed to be. I will continue to come to Integrated Pain on and off to, maintain what we've accomplished. I certainly don't want to lose any of the abilities that I've regained. And I will certainly suggest to my friends and family under certain circumstances that they should come and check it out. Just check it out, see what they have to offer. Integrated Pain Solutions has given me the ability to be the happy, outgoing person that I truly am inside. And for that, I am eternally thankful. My family can see the difference now that I'm not in pain the way I had been. I'm going to continue being physically active as long as I can, and that was really important for me to be able to do that.